Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to day 4 of this motor build. Once again, it is quite late. It's already past 10 o'clock in the evening. I had a lot of stuff I had to get done today. I actually got my rad and new AC condenser from Rock Auto today in the mail, which is awesome. But more importantly, it's time to get back into getting this motor back together. That being said, let's get into this thing. Okay, so I've already gone ahead and mounted the sensor right here, the pulley sensor. It's just sitting in here loose at the moment. I didn't want to do anything until I got a good angle for you guys there. And as I'm sure you all know by now, I like Newton meters. So we're doing 7.5 Newton meters. 7.5 Newton meters. I'm going to put it in too tight for now because I still got to put the pulley on and align it properly before I actually tighten these down. Holy shit guys, it's starting to look like a motor. Okay, well, because of where I have the motor mounted to, I actually can't install the alternator yet till I get the actual hoisting brackets on and get it up on my motor hoist. So I'm going to toss a couple of sensors in. The first one I'm doing is the cam sensor. This little fella pops in right here. Little 8mm bolt goes in at 7.5 Newton meters. Why does that look wrong? That doesn't look right. Does it? No, it does not. I might have to take this cover off. Shit. Alright, so I figured out what my problem was. I was actually supposed to install this before putting the valve cover on. Oh well, not a big deal. Popped it off real quick, got that on, popped the valve cover back on. Now we're good to go. So now I'm actually going to pop in my injectors. I'll bring you over here. I fitted them with all new upper seals, and instead of going with the crappy stock lower seal, I ordered these high performance seals from CorkSport that replace the bottom one altogether. So I'm going to pop these on and then we will toss these injectors in. Well, those holes have a lot of debris in them, and it is way too late to fire up my air compressor. It's like 1 in the morning, 1:30. So I'm pretty happy with where I'm at. I think I'm going to call it a night and hit this bright and early tomorrow. So, yeah, have a good night, guys.